Good morning everyone, it's me Ali again and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro US dollar and the precious metal gold. First of all, we are going to take a look at the precious metal gold. Guys, yesterday the market exactly traded in line with our forecast. For example, the precious metal gold fell down and tested the support level of 1707, and after testing the support level of 1707, market continued to trade upward, and it has violated the downward trend line, as well as it has crossed over the 50 periods exponential moving average, which is now suggesting a bullish trend in the precious metal gold. Although it was bullish like earlier, but now the market is again trading with the bullish bias. Second thing that we have to see is that the MACD and the RSI, both of the oscillators and both of the leading indicators, are suggesting a bullish trend in the precious metal gold, which means that today's sentiment regarding gold is going to be bullish for now. Third thing that we need to keep an eye on is that recently the market has closed the bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the continuation of a bullish trend is seems possible. So therefore we have to keep an eye on, or we have to look for bullish trades over 1723 level, because the resistance level which was violated yesterday is now going to work as a support level. So there's something we can expect. Market can drop down and then market can get us another buying trend. First of all, the initial and immediate resistance that gold can face is going to be somewhere around 1733 level, whereas the bullish breakout of 1733 level is going to offer us another buy position, and market can go after towards 1744 level for now. So guys, that is pretty much it about gold. If we speak about the fundamental side of the market, guys, the market is going to have a busy day from a macroeconomic point of view, because USA is going to release their retail sales and core retail sales figures, while UK is also expected to release some economic events. However, the gold's price movement will highly depend upon the retail sale data, because for now, economists are expecting that retail sales of USA are expected to be better, but honestly, considering the fact that there was a lockdown and the market is coming back from lockdown, so retail sales are not expected to be greater than previous one. So that is why I'm expecting that there is going to be a negative economic data from the USA. And if this happens, there is going to be a continuation of a bullish trend in the precious metal gold. So with this, dollar can stay weaker, and we can also see bullish trend in the Euro USD. So likewise, this is a chart from yesterday. We will perform the live analysis today. Guys, as you see here, we have driven the downward channel on Euro USD. The downward channel was violated, and above this I was suggesting you that there is a very strong buy opportunity, and our initial targets are likely to be like 1.1278, and above this we were expecting it to target 1.1332. and as you see, the market has traded precisely as per our forecast. Now let's take a look at today's forecast, like what we need to expect from the Euro USD today. Guys, as you see on the hourly time, let me go for the 1 hourly time frame, because this is 2 hourly. Okay, as you see in the 2 hourly time frame, these levels now are going to work as a support, because previously they have provided sufficient resistance to the Euro USD, and now these are likely to work as a support level. Alright, so another support level is going to be this one. So we can expect Euro USD to stay supported above 1.3327 level, and as you see, this particular level is already violated. The exponential moving average is still providing bullish trend for or bullish sentiment or bullish bias for the Euro USD. So the recent candle, as you see here, the immediate candle or the very recent candle that the Euro USD has closed on the 1 hourly time frame is strongly bullish. In technical analysis term, this is known as bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that there is going to be a continuation of a bullish trend in the market. So therefore we can expect market to have a bullish trend in the coming times. For example, the chances are that the market may continue to go after towards, first of all, 1.1385 level, and above this market has a potential to go after 1.1405 level. Guys, why this level is going to be stronger as and work as a resistance? Because as you see here, the market has tested these particular areas one time, two times, three times. So this is working as a triple top level, and now we can expect market to like target this particular level, and below this we can expect a continuation of sell position, and then again we can expect a continuation of a buy position in the Euro USD. So speaking about the oscillators very quickly, the oscillators are also suggesting a bullish bias. As you see, the MACD and the RSI both are holding in the bullish zone, so we can expect a continuation of a buying trend in the Euro USD today. Once again, we need to keep an eye on retail sales figures which are due and which are going to be released during the US session today. So guys, all the very best for the forex for your forex trade setups today, and see you guys again tomorrow with another forecast. Until then, take care of yourself and bye bye. Do not forget to like this video and comment below this video. If you need any further help, you can definitely comment below this video. So guys, take care and see you guys next time. Bye bye.